Have you ever seen a 1600-year-old mystery? Most iron objects today rust in just a few months. It's been standing in the rain and sun for over 16 centuries, yet there is zero rust. How? Is it ancient magic or is it advanced STEM logic? Today at Smart Mind Stories, we are going to uncover the invisible sheet created by our ancestors using a simple experiment you can do at home. Let's look at these two nails. Nail A is ordinary iron. For a nail B, we are going to give it shield using clear coat or oil. Now, we drop them both into salt water, the ultimate test for rust. In a few days, nail A will be covered in rust, but nail B, it's perfect safe. The ancient Indian blacksmiths used iron with a high phosphorus content. When it touched the earth, it formed a thin protective layer called Misawite. Think of it as natural fermentation raincoat for iron. This Misawite shield is the reason this pillar still stands tall today. Science is hidden everywhere in our history. You just need a smart mind to find it. Try this experiment at home and tell me, did your shield work? For more ancient science stories, subscribe Smart Mind Stories.